Most people get weak results when prompting AI, but we're not most people. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 4-layer framework, a system that you can use to prompt any LLM or large language model and get way better results. Let's get into it. So as you can see here on the screen, I've laid out very simple layer 1 through 4. Layer 1 is always the role. Tell the model who it is. In today's example, you are a senior copywriter at Nike. Layer 2 is context. This is where you provide background. We're launching a shoe company for busy professionals. Layer 3 is constraints. This is where you give guidelines, aka guardrails. Max, in today's example, max 150 words, be persuasive, but use simple language. And layer 4 is the format. This is where you define structure. Output as 3 ad headlines plus 1 body paragraph. Now, what you see here on the screen is a screenshot I took from a Reddit post that I found maybe 6 months ago, and I've been prompting this way ever since. Now, AI models have become increasingly more intelligent, and you can still prompt simple, basic questions, but when you don't use this 4-layer framework, you'll notice that your outputs or your responses will be very surface level. So if you want to get more specific results pertaining to whatever it is you're asking, following this framework guarantees that you get a valuable and usable output based on your prompt. Now, as we can see here, layer 1. All right. Now let's move into the comparison here. I took the liberty of running this ahead of time so that we don't waste time here on this video. And I started off with write me 3 ad headlines, 1 body paragraph for a new running shoe. And you know, it did pretty good. I'm very impressed with the format. Run farther, run faster, run free. Where comfort meets performance. Your next personal best starts here. Body paragraph. Meet the running shoe built to move with you, not against you. Engineered with lightweight cushioning, adaptive support, and breathable materials. It delivers the perfect balance of comfort and speed. Whether you're chasing new PRs, logging daily miles, or just enjoying the run, this shoe is designed to help you push past limits and keep going strong mile after mile. Not bad. Now, when we give it some context following our 4-layer framework, we specified you are a senior copywriter at Nike. We're launching a running shoe for busy professionals. That's our target audience, which we didn't give previously. And max 150 words, persuasive but simple language, output as 3 headlines plus 1 body paragraph. Now, we can see here that the output's almost the same when it comes to giving us the headlines and the body. Right? It nailed that the first time because we gave that word for word for the format, the layer 4. But we didn't really specify what your role is, as well as who the target audience is, giving it context and then giving it restraints. So let's check out this output here. Run on your time. Power through the day mile by mile. Performance that works as hard as you do. These are very, very in line with the context that we provided. I love it. Your schedule is packed. That's why the new Nike shoe name here is built for professionals who move nonstop and work on the run. Lightweight cushioning keeps you comfortable from your morning commute to your evening miles, while responsive support adapts to every stride. Sleek enough for the office, powerful enough for the pavement, this shoe helps you fit performance into your day without missing a beat. Whether it's a quick jog between meetings or a long run after hours, the shoe name here is ready when you are. Now, I'd love to hear what you think about the differences in these outputs in the comments below. But to me, it's clear the more context you provide, the better the result. So prompting isn't this crazy difficult thing to do. As long as you understand the fundamentals of how to prompt, you'll get better results. So I hope you found some value in today's video. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video about a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.